line that you can see immediately across from us. It's going to come onto us. It's got the low ceilings. We lose our waiver. We have a waivered set of rules. We lose the ability to use that. It's going to pass through. We have one small one right behind it, and then it looks like we're going to have about 80 miles of clear sky. I say that hoping that it doesn't build again.
Weather will do that if the conditions are right, if it can change. But there you have the latest briefing and what happens, and that gives us some room. And we're still, weather permitting, hoping for an on-time performance from the Thunderbirds. But let's just watch and listen to this aircraft now as Dave respectfully brings this huge fighter for World War II, beautifully restored, for you to take a look at close up. And we'll demonstrate how the wings fold so that they can put more of them on the carriers.
So what we're going to do is we're going to count it down to okay, for sure. What we're going to do is we're going to coordinate.
Look at that huge propeller. You can see why they had to bend the wings to keep the landing gear as sturdy as it is. Dave, when we spoke to him earlier today, if you were here to hear our conversation, often when he flies this, thinks of the young men who flew it during the Second World War at such young ages. This difficult airplane to fly. All this horsepower. Folks, let's count it down and he'll fold the wings on your count. We'll start from 5, boys and girls. Let's count it down and he will hear it. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fold the wings, Dave. Get it in the sky, unfortunately, but we're giving you a look-see at what it looks like with the engine running, what it sounds like, how they fold the wings up. You can tell which way the wind was coming because it was helping that one wing. Yes, you can safely taxi it with the wings folded. We still have some visibility from side to side. It's possible when the tail draggers can see over the nose, but he's looking at your feet from side to side, so he'll be able to see you as well. You'll get a chance to have all this history in photograph or video as he taxis by the Thunderbird. But there he is, Dave Colt, respectfully and carefully with this priceless flying machine, paying our respects to the past. And folks are veterans of World War II, and we have some with us here today who are losing at such a rate now as they age, and all they want is to know that we will never forget. So for those who are with us here today, let's have a round of applause so that they know we will always remember their sacrifice.
I got reports on hail. Well, I hope it's going to pass. It's on L road, so that's going to go back in. Parallel with that's that.
That is one awesome airplane, and he's unfolding the wings now and getting ready to put it back over on the hot right side. And we are going to have to wait for this system to pass through. And as Ralph mentioned, it is going to pass through, and behind it is about 80 miles of better weather. Now, depending on how fast the wind's going to push that 80 miles,